बेहद की परम शांति. Bapuji says, children, now according to the time, the stage of you children should be constant. This stage will be yours when you have dispassionate attitude. That is, you will have only one desire that now we have to go home, Paramdham. Along with this, while living in this world, you children should have a feeling of love, mercy, and well-being of every soul, no matter how harmful it may be, because that soul is playing its accurate role according to the previous cycle. As the power of peace and purity increases within you souls, the souls of the Dev Kul, the deity clan, who are going to come near you in the future will automatically come near you, and the connection of the souls who come late will automatically decrease with you. That is, they will themselves become detached from you under the influence of their sanskars. And despite being detached due to your good feelings and good wishes, they will always feel that these are elevated souls. They are different from us. This transformation will happen automatically. You children do not have to think about it. You just have to test the sanskars of every soul and come in contact with them accordingly. That is, know their part beforehand, stay in the present, and immediately put a bindi with good feelings and good wishes. Become a bindi and sit with the bindi father, the incorporeal father. That is, do not let even a single thought go waste towards such souls. You are world benefactor children. So first of all, you have to bring benefit to the souls who come in your contact and relationship. Only then will be the world benefit. Children, you just have to become knowledgeful and pay attention to yourself. That is, you have to keep watching yourself. Where is my mind and intellect going? And then become powerful. That is, keep the Father with you and keep making effort to bring your mind and intellect in the right direction. Then the victory is yours alone. To stay in the present means that the 1 second that has passed in the past is the past, and the next second to come is the future. Acha.